everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafttube Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I am going to start the 7 days of spring soiree that I did last year, which was choosing 7 projects, draw one at random every day, show you where we're up to with it and film again at the end of the day or the next morning, I can't remember, the progress that was made. So I've got my little bowl cozy here and I've chosen my projects, which are here. I don't know if you can see those. Let's scoot that over a little bit. So I've got the transparent embroidery, Christmas aprons, quilt the Christmas quilt, crochet rainbow jumper, family Christmas ornaments, fully finished the Christmas pillow cross stitch, and finish the magnifying cover. So that is my list, and then I've got my bowl cozy and I've printed them all, cut them out, and just going, actually what I might do is fold them nicely. How about that? So I did this last year and I got quite a lot done, so I thought I'd do it again this year and see what we get done. Just something a little different. I really enjoyed it last year, so it'll be a video every day, and yeah, we'll see how much we can get done on each project. Right, get all these done. It's a fun way to, you know, get some work done on each project. So, right, there's my little bowl. Mix them all up and we'll choose one out. Okay, so the first project that I'm going to be working on is finish You Know Dasher. So that's that one there. What I will do is I'll grab it out and show you the project, and yeah, so hang on a minute. Okay, this is the project. It is called You Know Dasher, and I had a subscription years ago to, well, last year, maybe the year before, to Readly, and you got access to all the different books and magazines, and this pattern was in the magazine and it's called You Know Dasher, and so I stitched it up, and it is on 28 count chalkboard linen, and so it's just been sitting in my drawer, so I thought I would add that to my list and get it finished so I can have it for this Christmas. So I've got a piece of black interfacing, so I will iron a piece of that onto the back and we'll make it into a little pillow. So that is the first project in the spring soiree for 2023, and I will be back tomorrow. We will draw another number and another project and show you what it is and the progress. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.